Gift.
I really like that.
Hello, welcome to Alice's table.
I'm just warning you guys, there's a lot of food in this vlog. There's just a lot going on this week. So there was a winter blizzard this day. My husband and I decided to stay in and watch TV all day. I went to my Pilates class in the morning before the snow hit and went to a grocery store where I found this treasure. My sister and I loved going here when we lived in St. Louis, and I can't believe I found this. It was on sale too, so I'm so excited. It just snowed all day. I think it was like a total of 9 inches or something. So we ate this pizza, which was so good, and some leftover food that I had in the freezer. The next day we went to church and met up with my sister and friend to grab my favorite soup, especially in the winter, suondooboo. There's something about this high protein, soft and spicy soup that really warms up my soul. Let's all enjoy a little bit of Ella's mukbang.
Can you move it this way? Hello, welcome to Alice's table.
Alice mukbang.
Mom, are you ready? Are you ready, Mom?
Yes, Ella.
Okay, so look at this. Look at this.
Wow. Isn't it hot? No, I'll just take a little bit. Oh.
Okay, so with after next one.
Wow.
We went to Target to burn off some of the calories we consumed by doing some last minute Christmas shopping.
Sister is making dinner today. Instant pot. What's dinner, Grace?
What?
What's dinner?
Pot roast.
Oh, yes.
For dinner the next day, my sister wanted to make us pot roast and roasted veggies for dinner. So I made us a side chickpea salad. We've all been trying to control the amount of carbs we eat, especially for dinner. So this was the perfect meal for a cold winter night. I don't really like potatoes that much unless they're french fries. So I had like 3 servings of my chickpea salad, which is so good.
Ooh.
It's
so tender?
Apart, yeah. Like a couple of days later, my dad wanted to make us suondooboo for dinner because he said his recipe was so good. Indeed, it was much better than the one I had earlier in the week at the restaurant. My mom made some other banchan like grilled mackerel, 동그랑땡, which are meat patties, and various types of kimchis. I grew up on my dad's cooking, and I love almost everything he makes, but this suondooboo was probably in the top 3 of my favorites.
우리 지금 케빈도 가져가 다 같이.
계피 넣네, 엄마. 동그랑땡에.
계피 좀 넣었어.
You can eat with
Now.
So, we will be leaving soon to go eat dinner with my husband's side of the family. It is his younger brother's birthday dinner, and we'll be eating sushi. And then after that, I'm heading to my sister's because we have a girls' pajama party, Christmas party, wine party. It's not really wine actually, it's a lot of drinks because I'm making us some cocktails using Carrie's bar set, which I will link down below. But with them, we had this like end of the year party where I got to learn how to make cocktails, and it's the one cocktail I can make and I'm decently good at. So we're gonna be doing that, but we also have like this gift exchange thing, but it's something that has been going viral on social media amongst girls. So you just each bring something small. My in-laws buy us birthday dinners at the sushi restaurants that's really close to my house. So we had this. Now I'm at my sister's. Grace has like these personalized ribbons so we know whose is whose. Yay! Okay, but let me start with cocktails first. Here is my bar cart. Not bar cart. Bar.
Hi.
Ella, I have to blur your face
Yeah.
out. I have to blur your face out.
Shower.
Wait, I think I got a bath.
I don't know, something small. Oh, is that panda?
That smells good. I'm like, what? That.
keeps my sniffles away.
More, Angie. Until it comes
I don't get how I always get myself into these messes when it's not cooking. Literally, like for making cocktails or baking, these are the types of situations I get myself into.
18 minutes.
Oh, it is? Then it should be okay.
30 minutes, guys.
Oh yeah.
I really like this bacon hot pepper. It's so
Angie
like
got
sweet. I love
gifted
it.
a million gems from this company.
Oh, it's really good.
Ready? Millennium. You know, I'm sorry. I'm gonna tease that.
We had so much fun this night, but I did not feel so great the next morning, but everything felt better with pho. Thank you.
Oh shoot.
We are at the hotel. Hello. So, we wanted to do a staycation. We actually forgot our anniversary in November. The only reason we remember is because my friend Emily has the same anniversary and she texted me saying happy anniversary. I was like, what? Oh my god. So we decided to do this like last minute trip, and the only place we could think of in a reasonable time, because we're also traveling to Texas in January, was just our own city. So we are staying at the Sofitel. I'll give you a tour. This is the bathroom. Got a little bathtub. I just used the restroom, so it's making a noise. The shower. And this is our room. My husband's already. I will be spending a good amount of time right over here. Oh no, my sweater fell. This is our view. You can see the Lake Michigan through the buildings over there too. Yeah, this is where we will be staying for one day. Technically, we were supposed to come earlier and grab lunch here, but I was not feeling well and all I wanted was pho, so we stayed back. I took a nap at my sister's, took a nap on the way here, and now I feel much better. But we're gonna go out, try to find a coffee shop, and then walk around, do some shopping, get dinner, and then tomorrow we're going to Air Ancient Baths to do like a spa treatment. We found our way to Ralph's Coffee and did a little bit of shopping in the city.
Angie?
Yes, thank you.
Really get hot, but here it is.
I tried really hard not to spend money because I spent way too much this month, but told my husband that he should get something for himself, which he did. Then we had to dinner at Sushi's-han and ate a little too much. It was so cold in the city. We had to Uber around after the shopping. We're back home. Just trying to get the night view. Looks like. So nice. I didn't have the courage to step outside again after dinner, so we walked around the hotel and went to the gym and played a reflex game. Once we felt like we digested a bit, we went to the hotel bar to drink a little more and ended the night with Dynamite Kiss on Netflix. Good morning! I love waking up to this view in the morning. We packed up our stuff and checked out early to make it on time for a reservation at Air Ancient Baths. We weren't allowed to film in there, but we did a 1-hour body massage and facial and spent over an hour at the baths where we really got to relax and spend quality time together. We love the experience, and now we're gonna head to lunch or brunch at one of my favorite places. So excited. Everything was like perfect. Like the massage was good, the bath was nice. Our favorite part of the bath was where you go underneath the water to get to like the outside, and there's like a waterfall there. Really nice because the water was so warm and you got like the cold air. But yeah, I think we need to do this like every year. Now we're at Lula Cafe, which is like my favorite. We put our names down on the list and head to the bookstore that's next door to look around, and ended up getting Ella a little book.
Like a stick. Oh my gosh, she's gonna love the nails, you know.
It was a lot of fun actually. Like 20 minutes flew by when we're in the bookstore, checking out some of our childhood favorites and some like unique finds. I was so hungry at this time to record anything, but this was a small snippet I was actually able to film. And then we grabbed coffee because we hadn't had any this day, and went back to my sister's house because I requested kimchi chicken for dinner because I didn't feel like cooking. That's all for this week, and thanks for watching.